Today's recipe is a really delicious and easy Biscoff cake. So first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the Biscoff cookies in a Ziploc bag and crush them until a powder is formed. For the dry ingredients, in a small mixing bowl, combine all-purpose flour, the crushed Biscoff cookies, baking powder, and salt. Combine the dry ingredients with a whisk. In the bowl of your stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, add in your softened butter, packed light brown sugar, and granulated sugar. Combine these ingredients together for about 5 minutes until the mixture is creamy, light, and fluffy. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl with a spatula after the mixture is fully combined. Add in the eggs one at a time, and once the batter is fully mixed, add in the pure vanilla extract. Now it's time to combine the wet and dry ingredients. Add in half of your flour mixture and set your stand mixer to medium speed. Once the batter is fully mixed, add in the buttermilk and set your stand mixer to a low speed. For the final step, add in the remainder of the flour mixture and combine. Grease 2 9-inch baking pans, and it is optional, but as I have done here, line the bottom of the pans with parchment paper. If you use parchment paper, don't forget to spray the top as well. Evenly divide the cake batter into both of the prepared baking pans. Spread the batter around in your pan with the spatula. Place the cakes in your preheated oven. And bake them for 30 to 35 minutes. After baking, the cakes should be a light brown color and should be pulling away from the sides of the pan. Now for the meringue buttercream. In the bowl of your stand mixer fitted with the whisk attachment, add in the egg whites, granulated sugar, and salt, and combine these ingredients together on a high speed until the mixture is frothy. Now whisk and heat this mixture over a pot of simmering water. Consistently whisk the ingredients together until the sugar is fully dissolved. This should take about 3 minutes. Place the bowl back on your stand mixer and whip the ingredients together until a meringue is formed. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to keep the stand mixer on a high speed. Before moving on to the next step, make sure your meringue has stiff peaks. Switch back to the paddle attachment and add in the softened butter 1 tablespoon at a time. Whip the meringue on a high speed after each addition until a fluffy mixture is formed. Finally, add in the cookie butter and combine. For the filling of your cake, you'll need Biscoff spread and crushed Biscoff cookies. To assemble, place one layer on the cake tray, spread on a desired amount of cookie butter, top that with about 1 cup of the cookie butter meringue, and add on the crushed Biscoff cookies. Place the second layer on top and coat the outside of the cake with the meringue buttercream. This part is optional, but I chose to use a piping bag to decorate the outside of the cake with rosettes. Add the Biscoff cookies to the top, crumble on some crushed cookies, and you're done.